Hi everyone, welcome to West Art Creations. Today we will learn how to draw Peppa's friends. So let's start. First we will draw Candy Cat. Next we are drawing Mandy Mouse. Can you guess the next one? Yes, it's Freddy Fox. She is Molly Mouse. Look at this doll Freddy. It's Gerald Giraffe. And in the last, we are drawing Bunny Dog. Isn't it wonderful? Let's color it. And we are done. As Peppa has so many friends, we have one more video for Peppa's friends. Please check it out. The link is there in the description. Subscribe to our channel for more such fun videos. Bye bye.